and welcome to London Live News with me, Alex Beard. We'll have the latest headlines, travel and weather in a moment, also on the programme. Campaigners against plans for an incinerator near Croydon town centre have lost their 7-year court battle. The Stop the Incinerator group wanted to appeal the council's decision to build on Bennington Lane, but today a judge at the Royal Courts of Justice ruled against them. Vanessa Buffo has been following the story.
It's the end of the legal battle for campaigners. The judge, Justice Sale, ruled in favour of Sutton Council to build an incinerator in Beddington, which is about 2 miles away from Croydon town centre. Now, this is the events that led up to today. In November last year, there was a judicial review. Campaigners said that Sutton Council had acted unlawfully, approving plans, but the court rejected that challenge. The court also rejected a written submission to appeal. Now, today, campaigners came in for an oral hearing to see if permission could be granted for them to appeal, but the judge refused.
It's very disappointing. Our legal team have suggested it probably is. There is an option to maybe go to the Supreme Court, and maybe we should just keep that option open for now while we take stock. It's a bit too soon to really give a knee-jerk reaction. It would appear that the legal process has now come to an end, but it has delayed matters for 2 years. You know, the incinerator would be almost built by now if we hadn't have followed this, and so you know, we'll certainly keep fighting.
The process has been somewhat crazy. I mean, the fact that they're building an incinerator on what is supposed to be a country park, it's on metropolitan open land that's supposed to be protected land. It's also a site of importance for nature conservation. They're going to destroy irreplaceable wetland habitat. So the fact that they can build an incinerator in a corner of a country park, they're going to be able to build them anywhere. So it's a bit of a warning message to other people in other local communities. So watch out, your green spaces are up for the taking.
Sutton Council has responded to the judge's decision, and in a statement it said the court's decision confirms that the planning decision-making process was followed correctly by Sutton Council in its role as the local planning authority. We will ensure that the development of energy recovery facility by Viridor is undertaken in accordance with planning permission. We got in touch with Viridor, the company working with Sutton Council, and it said over 400 similar facilities already operate safely and efficiently across Europe and the UK. We remain confident that it is the most environmentally sound and cost-effective solution for the local waste management need. The incinerator will burn 275,000 tonnes of domestic waste a year, as well as commercial and industrial waste, and work is due to begin in 2017. For the campaigners, their other option is a Supreme Court for another chance to appeal, but they say currently they are weighing up their options.